Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Nvidia. The report was first published on our website Friday, October 7, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Nvidia? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since October 5, 2022, our system ranks the Nvidia stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -6.636. In this period the stock has had a loss of -8.58%. This is an average return of -2.86% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Nvidia, our last headline reads, "Is Nvidia stock still a buy after falling -8.03% on Friday?" The Nvidia stock price fell by -8.03% on the last day, Friday, October 7, 2022, from $131.30 to $120.76. It has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.39% from a day low at $120.22 to a day high of $126.70. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a -3.52% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 3 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 67 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $8.11 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $346.47, and the lowest price was $119.46. Right now the price is 65.15%, or $225.71, below 52-week high at $346.47, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -27.72% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -43.50% and -9.41%. The 12-month trend indicates a -47.08% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -82.70% and -17.14%. This equals a price between $20.89 and $100.06 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Nvidia stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Nvidia stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Nvidia. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Nvidia stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $126.36 and $140.17. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 4, 2022, and so far it has fallen -37.15%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 46 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 29 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 31 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 128 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Nvidia. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $6.48 between high and low, or 5.39%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 4.51%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Nvidia. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Nvidia currently has a price-earning ratio of 34.00. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q3 2022 is expected to be released Nov 15, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are 71 cents. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Nvidia meets first resistance at $125.61. If you do not hold Nvidia shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Nvidia is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On September 21, 2022, Showquist Deborah made an inside sell of 9,005 of common stock. On September 21, 2022, Puri Ajay K made an inside sell of 10,820 of common stock. On September 21, 2022, Teeter Tim made an inside sell of 7,713 of common stock. On September 21, 2022, Robertson Donald F. Jr. made an inside sell of 2,934 of common stock. On September 21, 2022, Huang Zhen HSUN made an inside sell of 15,838 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -11.562. In total, the insiders bought 5,315,167 and sold 6,666,121 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Nvidia stock a buy? Nvidia holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 10th, we expect Nvidia to open up $1.80 and start trading at $122.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.